for the game and all the pussy that come with it. So full of focus, I'm insisting on keeping it going. The franchise, I exist in a league of my own. Expect attention, I'm familiar with being ignored. The true back, plated locking and closing the door. Brick wall in the road, I won't move. The king, I'm like Roy in the ring, I can't lose. Show the face of what compare to man. You wanna walk? Motherfucker ain't hard to find. I holler back, nigga.
Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When will you niggas learn? Came to get crunk, came to bring life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up my mic. When will you
I move when my heart say move. Feels like a lion, got nothing to prove. Stopping that's a hot damn mule. God in my corner, nigga can't lose. Try to pick me out my hot damn shoes. See how quick I drop up and get you bitches the blues. They gon' see you on the hot damn news. And I ain't leaving nothing, linking me to the crime. Not a print, not a hot damn clue. Beating these niggas down is what I came to do. And I ain't playing by a hot damn rule. Shaking you niggas down if you ain't paying your dues. We passing up your block and ooh, my screws are loose. Don't call my hand cause you gon' make me act a hot damn fool. Dead discussion, you will not win cause I will not lose.
can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When will you niggas learn? Came to get crunk, came to bring life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up my mic. When will you niggas learn? Lacing up the frozen dreams, cold and fierce the fire gleams. Skate like thunder, play the scheme, together we're the winning team. Pass the puck, it's life or death. On this ice we find our breath. Adversity won't make us rest. Resilience is our treasure chest. Break the ice, we rule the zone. Fight as one, we're not alone. Celebrate with hearts of gold. Stand back up when we get told. Wins and losses both will teach. Chasing glory within reach. Calm through storms we preach. Victory's anthem in each speech. Hands together, keep the pace. No defeat we can't embrace. Through the sweat we'll show our grace. In every game we find our place. Break the ice, we rule the zone. Fight as one, we're not alone. Celebrate with hearts of gold. Stand back up when we get told. Together keep the pace. No defeat we can't embrace. Through the sweat we'll show our grace. In every game we find our place. Break the ice, we rule the zone. Fight as one, we're not alone. Celebrate with hearts of gold. Stand back up when we get told.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple plaques, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, throw it back, ayy, throw it back, ayy, and this one is for the champion. I ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said he was the yo. Then I went did it again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell them I ain't laying low. me like one with Nicky now. Tell a rap nigga I don't see ya, huh. I'm a pop nigga like Bieber, huh. I don't fuck bitches, I'm queer, huh. But these nigga bitches let me deal, yeah. Ayy, oh let do it. I ain't fall off, I just ain't release my new shit. I blew up, man, everybody tryna sue me. You call me Nas, but the hood call me Doobie. And this one is for the champion. I ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it was the end, yo. Then I went it in again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over.
My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy, y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my haters to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon, but just like Oklahoma, mine is coming sooner. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers.
I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over. Only in the street, baby. Only in the street, baby.
There's a lot of fuck niggas in the club tonight. Fuck them. But it's gonna be alright. Cause me and my clique, we don't give a fuck, nigga. Trick Daddy, Lil Jon. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. If you want some, come get some. Cause where I'm from, we so big gun. And everybody knows somebody that knows somebody that knows something about it. And I won't answer now. Who, what, where, why? See, a lot of dudes like to act the fool now. Get on live, but that ain't my style. So who he gon' get and what he gon' do? Run up on me if you want to. Hot damn pressing his homies. He's done up in front of his mama. I'm up the floor with him. And I kick in the door and let the fofo get him. I got fools that'll go get him. That's for him and Pooh and the dudes that run with him. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go.
Gotta spit it for the murderers and the killers and the thugsters. They be fucking up the ballers and the dealers and the hustlers. Got me coming at you bogus in the VI while they bumpin' Lil Jon. I'm a rusher. It's a psycho nigga twister from Chicago, rollin' with the Miami nigga that'll crush ya. We already be looking for drama. If a nigga try to get into it with us, then we gotta get him. Feeling free from the torture that could never be cured. I'm penicillin, I'm telling you, trick, I'm finna steal him. Got me swinging Chrissy and Hennessy bottles in the club, and my thug homies going for the thriller. Don't get it twisted with that overnight celebrity. You better be scared of me in my city, I'm a killer.
If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. I ain't that rapper type of right, and I ain't that acting type of right. It's off ain't in my script. I'm a player, you just a square. See, once that Hennessy into me, the whole industry's my enemy. And you ain't no kin to me or friend to me, bitch. Don't pretend to be. See, I'm strictly for the thugs. I'm for the street and straight out the hood. My MO is ghetto and I don't even need the gas for you booty cats. I'm straight out the county dead. 305 nigga in my head. You ever come south of the border? First most born, you gon' get slaughtered. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga.
So blacked out and hide behind the lines. Keep staring down the sun and hope the light will finally find your eyes and see it. Cross off the days gone by. Cross off the days gone by. Cross off the days gone by. Cutting you free. The phantom then was part of me. You have lived, you have lost. The separation's worth the cost. Heavy are the words that go unspoken. Heavy are the promises not broken. Will you learn to love the taste of the destruction in your wake? Cross off the days. So blacked out and hide behind the lines. Keep staring down the sun and hope the light will finally find your eyes and see it. Cross off the days gone by. Cross off the days gone by. Cross off the days gone. Gone by. Making my way back from the madness. Shifting my thoughts from the blackness and the sadness. But the fact is, I'm sweeping through life like a collision test of sanity. I wanna bleed, can't kill the pain. It's everything, it's all I feel, it's what I breathe. To the hate I breathe, it's what I need. Heavy is the end, that place of faker. Heavy is the heart that's filled with anger. Did you survey everything you laid to waste and cross off the days? So blacked out and hide behind the lines. Keep staring down the sun and hope the light will finally find your eyes and see it. Cross off the days gone by. Cross off the days gone by. Cross off the days gone party till we die! getting high, always and forever, party till we die. Always getting crazy, always getting high, always and forever, party till we die. We are, we are, we are, we are, we are, we are, party till we die. Till you die.